So now let's see how we can work around with the illusion effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the illusion effect, first of all, you need to go around onto filters right here, and then you need to go around over here onto map. And over here you can see that illusion is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, just like this, then you can see that illusion effect is added in. So you can go around and change around the division level, as you can see right here. And over here, you can also see and change the type of illusion that you want right here. So it simply changes out and reverses out the illusion, as you can see right here. You can change around the opacity, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And you can work around with the split view as you like as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around and see the before and after, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then the illusion is applied right here, and you get this kind of an effect. So that is how you can apply out the illusion effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.